to install Android on the Dell Latitude 3340. Here we go. This is my Latitude 3340, as you see there. So I'm gonna go to, okay, here we go. Quickly tap F12 on the screen, and then you're gonna wanna see UEFI USB device. Right there, press enter. Wait for a little bit. Okay, so you're gonna wanna select English, and then you're gonna wanna go to English Canada. There we go, and then click on OK, and then this is FydeOS. Click on Get Started, and then install FydeOS. 3, 2, 1. Full installation. And then there we go. 3, 2, 1. It's installing. On the Dell Latitude 3340. For the first time, we're installing the Chromebook. It's still installing. Click on Shutdown. And then now we are booting on again. 3, 2, 1. Dell Latitude 3340. And there we go. Android. It's now returning on with Android 3. Ooh, there we go. English Canada, okay. There we go. Okay, okay. Okay. And there you go. That's how you do it. Bye.